What's updated? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, as you can see on the screen, gold on this 4-hour time frame, we see a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade gold. Now, starting with the monthly time frame. Now, on the monthly gold, we have seen that past month has created this long red bearish engulfer. Now, there is a significance in this previous month's bearish engulfer is that we see that there is a strong red body with a long wick at the bottom. So when you see a bearish candle like that with a strong body and long wick, meaning that at some point the price will come to fill that wick, as this is a retracement of this move. And gold has done exactly after reaching to the upside, testing this resistance. Gold came back to fill that monthly wick. So still there is 2 weeks to go, and we see that because gold has rejected from this monthly resistance. If you look at that, this is the top of the monthly doji, from where gold exactly from this resistance rejected to the downside. Now we can expect gold come back to the bottom of that same doji at least, which can give us a really a significant trading opportunity to the downside. Now at the same time, we have more confluence for gold to drop, as I was mentioning in all my analysis, including my weekly forex forecast. Everywhere you have seen that, as you can see, this is the monthly time frame, and gold failed to create any higher high, meaning that gold may create new lower low. So that means that there is a huge potential for gold to drop on the higher time frame. Now let's go to the weekly time frame to see what kind of price action it has created. Now on the weekly, as you have seen that this is also exactly mentioned that on the weekly we see there is a dynamic support has been created on gold. This is a dynamic support, and the price was moving, creating a bullish pattern to the upside. And then on the weekly, gold has created this double top formation. There is a double top here, and then broke to the downside. Now after this breakout, what we have seen, there is a gap opening. That means that the price has been completely separated from this bullish pattern. And then the price now has created another reversal pattern here, double top, with a test of this neckline of this double top here, support tested as a resistance exactly with this weekly candle. And we saw that the price gap opened and then broke down. So with that being said, we can expect now gold to come back at least to this weekly level of support. That can give us a good trading opportunity still to the downside. Now let's go to the daily time frame to see what kind of price action has created. Now on the daily, we see that the price has created that was going in an expanding, you can say, range, and then the price has just broken this range. This support has been broken. First of all, it created a false breakout to the upside and then broke down. It's a sign of a trending to the downside, and the price does this all the time. If you see any kind of pattern and broke one side and then create false breakout and then started to move the other direction, meaning that gold may start its trend to the other direction. That means that it has created false breakout to the upside, now broke down, meaning it could continue its trend to the downside. So on the daily, we have seen that this resistance created a false breakout. Now from this support, we see there is a support here, support here, support here with this green candle. Now currently today's candle just been testing this previous support as a resistance, and if we find a proper price action confirmation from here, we can expect now to sell gold. Now going to the 4 hour, this is where we can find a trading opportunity. As you see that this is the important level of support here, we can see there is a resistance here on the 4 hour, support here, support here, support here, now just testing as a resistance. And from here, if we see enough price action confirmation after closing of this candle or just before closing of this candle, we could consider going short if it satisfies all the rules of our strategies to the downside to take this move with a high risk to reward ratio with our students and VIP members. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to leave a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.